channel. I feel so naked. I haven't been like this in forever. Oh my God, just look at me. Why are you like this, Fumi? Because today is going to be a very interesting episode. I am going to dip into the YouTube beauty community and do one of their trending topics, which is mixing all of my foundations. When I told Ula was like, but why? So that's the most bizarre thing I've ever heard. I said, me too. But that's what's happening, you know. And every once in a while, I like to do something fun for you guys. So that's what we're going to do. And that's why I have absolutely nothing on. Please don't look at me anymore. You know, I don't feel bad. I don't feel bad at all. This is the true me, true tea. You know, it is what it is, and that is the power of makeup. Okie dokie. So what are my foundations? Let me bring them forward. I have 7 of them that I'm going to mix. This is my bowl here. I'm just going to squirt it in, and then once I put all of them in, I'm going to use my little spatula that I use to put my face masks and stuff like that. And I'm just going to mix it all in, and we're going to go right in with my Huda Beauty stippling brush. Before that, let me tell you my foundation. So I am going to use my Fenty foundations. I have the 450, 470. So I'm going to use these two. And then I have my Yves Saint Laurent foundation. This is a 480. No, sorry. This is a B90 foundation. Then, of course, we're going to use the Huda Beauty. Love this. And then we're going to use a drugstore product. And this is True Match. And this one is the Deep Cool 9C. Yeah, that is True Match. There we go. Then we're going to go in with the Giorgio Armani, and I think I have the number 14. Yes, I have the number 14, Giorgio Armani. And then we have NARS. So I'm going to mix all of these foundations, and let's see if I get the perfect shade for my complexion. So bizarre to do this. You would never have thought of it. So here we go. So I'm going to take the YSL first. I'm going to open it up and I'm going to give it a squirt. Unless if I do too many squirts from each bottle, it's going to be too much, yeah? So we're squirting, yeah? So I'll put one in, alrighty. Then we're going to go into Huda Beauty. Squirt, looks dark. Then we're going to go Giorgio Armani, squirt. We're going to do True Match from L'Oreal. That's another squirt. Then we have NARS, and NARS you have to pour it. Ooh. Yep, so we got that. Doesn't look like much, but believe you me, it's enough. Then the Fenty Beauty, and that's the 470. We put that in. Then the 450, and that is it. That is it. This is my foundation mix. So I'm going to take my little spatula, and I'm going to mix it all in. There you go, there you go. You guys can see it. Right, and then I am going to take my foundation stick and I'm going to actually put this, yeah, I'll put that. It looks very light. Oh my God, it looks very light. So I'm going to take my spatula and I'm just going to take all of that in and I'm going to put it all over my face. It looks very light, guys. I'm not feeling confident, not at all. And let's put this to test. Put this all over my neck as well. To the ears. Well, it's oxidizing a little bit. I guess that's a good thing. Covers my neck. I have all of these little spots that I got from my grandmother. My grandmother had them, but my parents don't have them. And my sister doesn't have them. Only I do. And I'm the one in beauty. Challenges. Okay. Okay, what do I think? What do And of course, you'll be asking me, well, Fumi, you know, what kind of coverage are your foundations? Medium. Huda Beauty is full coverage. You know, Fenty Beauty isn't. The rest of them are kind of like a medium to full coverage. I think it looks okay. What do you think, guys? All right, so you know what I'm going to do? I'm gonna do my makeup and I'm going to come back and we'll talk about it. All right, my loves? I'll see you in a bit. All right, guys, check the beat. I don't even know what to call this. Peacock vibes. So what can I tell you? I like it. Very interesting. It all blended in and it worked. Will I use all of my foundations at once? That's too time consuming, my loves. I don't have that kind of luxury. But I love the way that it turned out. For the makeup deets on this gorgeous look, I really do love it. I'm feeling it. It was very spontaneous. It will be on my IG. I'll put all the details for you there. I'm using the P. Louise palette and of course Juvia's Place metallic lipstick. It's fabulous. But yeah, let's get back to the topic. I liked it. I do like it. All right, my sunshines. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Ula, say goodbye, darling.
Goodbye, darling.
I'm your only darling.
Oh, okay.
But you can say goodbye, sisters.
Goodbye, sisters.
Goodbye, my loves. I love you so very much. I'll see you in a couple of days. Be good. Always, always make sure that you are number one. When you're number one, then everybody benefits. That's what I have learned over the years. All right, guys. Girlfriend's gotta go. Yeah, I gotta cook. I'm learning how to cook. Love you.
I've been running around in circles for so long. I never really understood what I did wrong. Was trying hard to find a place where I belong. I lived an empty life, but had to carry on.